Welcome to Taversity. This is the 6th video of our training course of Upwork. In the previous video, we discussed about the job feeds on Upwork. In this video I will tell you how hourly and fixed price projects work on Upwork. What is the time tracker from Upwork, how it works and how Upwork secure your payment. If you select the fixed price type, you will see the fixed price jobs. The estimated budget will also be shown. The client will specify the hourly budget for the project, like $10 to $15 or $30 to $40. And it will show that, how long the project is. Like less than a month or more than a month. Now we will talk about the Upwork desktop tracker application. With this application, the client and you as a freelancer can manage your hourly projects. Whenever you get an hourly project, you open this tracker and from there you can start the timer of the specific project. You can add memo, like, now I am working on this thing or whatever. This application will track the time you have worked on the specific project, and it will take a screenshot of your screen in an hour multiple times to log that hour as a paid hour. When you enter the application, all the hourly projects in your account will appear here. You will be able to select a project, and you start the timer for that project. Upwork protects your payment in such a way that, if you have logged all your hourly work through the tracker, and if the client had the verified check mark, you have completed the project, and the client is not paying you the full amount, Upwork will pay you. They have the guarantee on that.